Benny, the brave little bear, sets off on an adventurous journey through the enchanted forest, driven by his determination and courage to uncover the hidden treasures that lie ahead. Benny meets Ruby, a wise and intelligent rabbit, in the forest, marking the beginning of a strong friendship as they decide to join forces and face the challenges of their journey together. To join force, Benny and Ruby discover a magical crystal in a hidden cave, its glow filling them with wonder and hope and providing guidance and support for their journey through the enchanted forest. Benny and Ruby encounter a young rabbit named Sammy caught in a snare, showcasing their kindness and teamwork as they rescue him and welcome him into their group, strengthening their bond. The trio faces a fierce wolf blocking their path, and Benny steps forward with bravery and determination, proving his courage and earning the wolf's respect, allowing them to continue their journey. Benny, Ruby, and Sammy discover a hidden cave filled with treasures and ancient scrolls, realizing that the true treasure lies in the wisdom and knowledge contained within the scrolls. The friends help a group of animals resolve an argument over acorns, teaching them the importance of sharing and the value of friendship and reinforcing the significance of working together. Benny, Ruby, and Sammy bravely traverse the eerie dark forest, guided by the rare moonlight blossom, facing their fears and trusting in each other to overcome the forest's challenges. Benny solves a puzzle posed by a wise old owl to obtain a golden key, demonstrating his wisdom and determination and unlocking the path to the hidden treasure they seek. After finding the hidden treasure and valuable scrolls, Benny, Ruby, and Sammy return home, reflecting on the lessons they've learned, the friendships they've formed, and the sense of accomplishment they feel. The trio shares the stories of their adventurous journey with friends and family, reliving the excitement and joy of their experiences and the lessons they have gained. Benny, Ruby, and Sammy use the knowledge from the ancient scrolls to help others in their community, highlighting the transformative power of wisdom and learning. The friends prepare for new adventures, equipped with the knowledge and lessons from their previous journey, eager and excited for the challenges and discoveries that lie ahead. Benny, Ruby, and Sammy face a new challenge together, using their combined strengths and teamwork to overcome it, illustrating the power of unity and collaboration. The trio continues their adventures, always seeking new knowledge and helping others, emphasizing the ongoing nature of their journey and the enduring bond of their friendship. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you want any special story, then leave a comment.